To create master data in Feed, go to the Master Data menu on the left. Creating different types of master data that appear on the product in Feed generally follows the same procedure. Here, we will create a text field. You create master data by clicking the plus sign in the bottom right corner, or by using the shortcut key C. Give the field a suitable name, and if you have multiple languages in Feed, repeat the same process for each language. For texts and attributes, you can add help text that appears when you hover the mouse over the field on the product. The import code or code is used by the Feed API to identify the field during import or export. Read-only locks the field for manual enrichment and is used where integrations enrich the field with values. Mandatory is only a visual aid to show that the field is required. For text fields, you can set a character limit. 0 means unlimited. If you check rich text, you cannot set a character limit since the text includes HTML code. When I've created the text field, I need to link it to the relevant product templates for it to appear on products. Here I can choose to add the field to all product templates, select individual templates, or search and add. To create product attributes, go to Master Data Attributes. Here, you first enter attribute groups where the attributes must be placed. If you don't have a suitable group, you create one. The principle is the same as before. Add names in all languages and an import code. In this case, I want to create a new attribute under an existing group. The attribute group shows a list of attributes that belong to the group, which data types they are set up with, and check marks that provide useful information about the attributes. To create an attribute, the process is the same as earlier. Fill in the name in all languages, add the import code. If you need an attribute that should not trigger changes on the product in an integration, checking System Attribute will do the job. The attribute must have a specified data type. Different data types provide certain attribute-specific options. For text, you must set a character limit, where 0 is unlimited. Universal text also has a character limit, but unlike text, the universal text attribute has the same value across all languages. For integers, you can add a unit that appears next to the value in Feed, and it is available in the API, making it easier to see if the value needs conversion in integrations. Numbers and date fields have a range option, giving a from to value for the attribute. The range is also available for decimal numbers and date fields. Checkbox fields in Feed are true, false fields, defined or not defined. But if no value is set, it will return undefined. That means there are 3 possible values in a checkbox. Dynamic text has the ability to combine values from multiple fields in Feed. We will go through this in a separate video. Data registers require that you have defined a data register in advance, so they appear in the drop-down list of available registers. A data register provides a drop-down list with one selectable value. A data register with multiple choice works the same way, but allows you to select multiple values from the list. To create a data register that you can select in the attribute dropdown, go to Master Data, Data Register. Here you can create new registers and add register lines that become the drop-down options for that register. Or you can update an existing data register with more options. Click the plus sign or use C to add more options. Creating a new register makes it available in the list of registers for data register attributes. In addition, via Master Data Attributes, you can search for attributes without knowing exactly which group they belong to. The search takes you directly to the attribute group, filtered by the attribute you searched for. If you want a different order of attribute groups shown on the product, you can sort them here and save the new order. The same can be done with attributes inside an attribute group. If you have created new product templates, you can assign attributes to a template when inside an attribute group, and you can move attributes to other groups. As long as your integrations use import codes for the attributes, moving attributes to other groups will not affect the integrations.
Feed PIM by ISIS.